Shoals County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, Sarpy County, northeastern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, north central Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Douglas County, southeastern
SVR.
Saunders County, Cass County
this is
in
a big
southeastern
one.
Nebraska until 6:15 a.m. At 5:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles southwest of Underwood to near Walnut Creek Recreation Area to 3 miles north of Greenwood, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour.
I'm literally
Expected
in
hazards include 60 miles per
Underwood,
hour with
guys.
gusts.
Recording
Source,
this
weather
video.
instrument measurement measured gust of
Oh,
62 miles per
crap.
hour at Omaha Etley Airfield at 5:43 a.m.
That is dangerous, that's confirmed.
Impact. Expects damage to roofs.
I'm literally in my
siding,
underwear while
and
I'm
trees.
recording this video, but
Severe
I'm not
thunderstorms
going to show
will be
you
near
myself
southeastern
because
Omaha,
it's
Council
inappropriate.
Bluffs, Bellevue, Battalion, Offutt Air Force Base, Ashland, Springfield,
SVR.
Louisville, Greenwood,
I had to
and
get this
Cedar
SVR.
Creek around 5:45 a.m.
That's why we have failed somehow.
Trainer and Murdoch around
This is
5:50
this is probably
a.m.
the biggest one ever.
Glenwood, Elmwood, and Pacific Junction around 5:55 a.m. Waking Water, Murray, Silver City, and Beaver Lake around 6 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Malvern, Avica, and Mihaka. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between
How to
mile
get this
markers
rolling.
20 and 63. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 415 and 400.
So, I have a double header.